Life has its ups and downs, but I can promise you, winter don't last forever.
I've been grinding off the road since the sun went down. Autumn leaves blowing through this quiet town, taking my angle grinder to the heavy and the old, shedding all the weight that's been crushing my soul. Here at Imagination Fabrication, letting the scrap fall away, just making some room for a brand new day. Oh, the seasons of the steel, the seasons of the man, just trying to make sense of the maker's master plan. Gotta grind away the sorrow, gotta rest the weary bones, strike a spark in the darkness, melt the iron off the stone. Yeah, bending through the fire, just to see how it feels, living out the four seasons of the steel. Piling up outside the garage door, well, Daddy's drinking coffee, staring at the concrete floor. Winter is for quiet, letting these calloused hands heal, staring at the blueprints, waiting on the steel. You gotta let the forge go cold so you can find your way, looking for direction when the sky turns gray. Master plan, gotta grind away the sorrow, gotta rest the weary bones, strike a spark in the darkness, melt the iron off the stone. Yeah, bending through the fire, just to see how it feels, living out the four seasons of the steel. Starting underneath the sun. And now it's summer in the shop, 10,000 degrees, sweating out the passion, building realities, taking bold steps forward, abundance all around, the strongest metal masterpieces ever to be found. All the seasons of the steel, the seasons of the man, just trying to make sense of the maker's master plan. Gotta grind away the sorrow, gotta rest the weary bones, strike a spark in the darkness, melt the iron off the stone. Yeah, bending through the fire, just to see how it feels, living out the four seasons of the steel. Rest, let go, grow, rebuild. Yeah, Imagination Fabrication. Only God knows why we love the fire.